Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, and guys, today I'm showing you off my Alien Zero Whoop. This is the newest board that I just built, so let's kind of go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see right under there, I've got the board. Now this is a little different compared to normal whoops that I build. So you can see that the motors are actually in different spots. So where the black and the red, or the black and the white normally go, and the red and the white normally go, they're reversed, and the props spin outwards instead of inwards, but you can change that in beta flight with this one if you want to. But yeah, so that's how it is. You can see that the flight board is a lot smaller. It's a lot lighter. And you can see right there, there's my FR Sky receiver that comes out the back there. That's the FR Sky XM Lite receiver. So that's what it looks like there. And then I used my typical, this is the Cyclops 2 all-in-one camera. This is my favorite camera that I like to use. This is the canopy I ordered from Tiny Whoop, and the E-Sheen 4 blades that I ordered from Tiny Whoop as well. And this is the my favorite frame, the cockroach frame. So let me pause. I'm going to take off the canopy so you guys can see the innards of this thing. There we go. So the canopy's off, so you can see there's my all-in-one VTX camera. I've got, it kind of just sits under there with a little bit of double-sided sticky tape, and then I've got, this is, if you're wondering what that 3D printed little mold is, it's actually meant for the Tiny Whoop cameras, but I modify it to work with this and a little bit of hot glue, and it works just perfectly. So you can see that the board under there, I already built it, so unfortunately I can't, take this off real easy, but you can see it's a lot smaller. It takes up just a tiny bit of room. See, compared to all the other boards where they take up that whole space, and this just takes up a very minimal space. So I've got 3 modes that are programmed in here. I've got the normal, what they call level mode or angle mode, and then there's the race mode angle, and then there's acro mode. So those are the 3 modes. So normal angle mode, it will automatically stabilize itself. The racing mode, when you pitch forward, it will continue on that pitch forward or pitch back, and then but it will still keep stabilized. So I tried that out, and that was actually kind of cool. I really like that mode. And then acro, of course, you guys know, is just plain acro. But this thing does really good in all the modes. I was really impressed with it. So what I'll go ahead and do here is I'm going to pause the video for you guys, and I'm going to show you the flight footage that I took. The first little short videos, that's going to be level mode. The second video is going to be race mode angle, and then the third is going to be the acro, so you guys can see all 3 levels. As you can see, I've got a little bit of grass on the frame already. That's just because I had it out in the backyard playing around with it, so, but no big deal. But this thing is absolutely great, guys. I absolutely love it. The board is just insane how well it flies. It is just tuned just perfectly. Even a little bit of auto correction and you're still on track with the board. So yeah, I just can't say enough about this, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the flight footage, and we'll be back in just a few minutes. welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed that flight footage. I truly, really enjoyed flying this Whoop a lot. This is probably my new favorite Whoop. You know, my red one here has been my go-to Whoop for a really long time. It's got the special sauce motors in them, and I really do like this Whoop a lot. But this one is just insanely good. I really like it a lot. The board is lightweight, it's fast, it's forgiving. So what do I think? Do I think this board is worth it? Absolutely. $35 for the board. If you can find it, they sell out very quickly, but the build was extremely easy. Just follow the links down below. I will put a link down below, the link that they did for the build, and I will also put a link down there for how to program your Tyrannus controller. So there's you can also get a DSMX, but I'm not a Spectrum user, so I don't even know how to go about setting one of those up. But otherwise, yeah, I really like it a lot. Now, tomorrow night I am taking this to Tiny Whoop night to go race. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try racing with the red one, and I'm also going to try racing with the green one, and then I'm going to compare the two to see which one I like more. Which one? This has got the Beta FPV board in it, and it's running Betaflight 3.2.4, and so it's my standard stock, and it's also special sauce motors. So this is my favorite setup that I used to run. This one is running the Alien Zero Whoop board, and it's silverware. So, and these motors are the Ultra Sauce motors, so they're actually a little bit quicker. But I like it. It's got a lot of power, it's really fast, and I just really like it a lot. So guys, stay tuned later this week for the racing footage so you guys can check it out. I'm going to order some LEDs for this, and I'm going to put on the front and the sides and everything like that. I think I'm going to go with green to, kind of go with the whole alien theme. But yeah, my just basically my review from flying it and putting it together. It was super easy, not hard at all, and I think it was definitely worth it. Those guys over at Alien Whoop are just awesome. They know how to tune a board, and this thing just flies so smooth. Even in just regular angle mode is so much better than the stock Betaflight, without tuning it or anything like that. So yeah, this thing's definitely worth it, guys. Definitely. If you haven't built one of these, if you want to get into tiny whooping, get one of these guys and build it. I guarantee you're going to absolutely love the Alien Zero board. So I give it 3 thumbs up. I can't, not just 2 thumbs up, but I give it 3 thumbs up. But we'll see how it does in racing. So just racing around in the backyard, it's absolutely smooth. So we'll see how it does in the actual races with the gates. So thanks, guys, for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. In the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out, and have an awesome day.